So like this we can use normal array, like length is nothing but array1 the dot, you can print control space bar, you will get automatically pop. Length is a like a keyword, so then I plus plus. So this is the one, I less than I plus plus, and always integer value less than 1. So because it will start 0 1 2 3 4, so that's what less than you can take. If you are taking equal to, like it will show you error. I will tell you this one also. So let's see with the same example. I just copy this one, paste it here. Like here I can call the index value I. You should not take I value equal to 1 because index always starts with 0. This concept we'll discuss in arrays, don't worry. So just 10 20 30 40 like this will go. So if you go with less than or equal to, save this one, it will show error because like fifth index is not there, that's what it is showing error. So you should remember this one. Okay,
Yes.
so this is normal for loop, like without using like every time you need to call the index value, so that is very complex. So that's what we have a for each loop, like that is easily accessing the data. The same concept we can use to design. So I will comment this one. So here I can use for each loop. So for each loop, how, what is the syntax? So here, what is the type of variable? You can take the type of variable. So integer type in I you can take colon, and here what is the array name? That's it. You can take array name only. You don't need to call the like array of index, array of index. You don't need to worry about, and you don't need to worry about like length of the size and all, like how you can take the variables. What is the last value? You don't need to worry about. You just call the variable name. That's it. Now it is very simply accessing the data. So result is same, right?
Okay.
So that is the simplest thing, and you can take one more example also. Like here, I'm taking other one. So string array you can take string. The size you can take here array. So here I'm passing my string data. Hello, and Java. So there are three data is there. So I want to access string. Here data type is data. So anything. This is our string data. So whenever I want to access string data, so you need to call compulsory. I want to access string data. So here what I need to do, I just call the same way for string. So here you need to take the variable type is not integer. So you should call the type of the like data type. So string only. So that is the importance. Like most of the people are getting confusion, like which data we are. So what is the type of data? We just call the data here. So now we can access the data directly. Okay. This is clear for each loop.
Yes. Yes, clear.
Okay. So
And nested for loop,
yeah, nested for loop.
where we have to use,
Yeah.
where we
So
have to use.
yeah. So this is about do while for like for loop and for each loop.
Yeah.
So now we'll discuss
Yeah.
about nested for loop. Nested for loops also. It is like not about nested for loop. Nested loops. Nested loop in the sense one loop we have other loop that is called nested. So let's see with that one also. This is about for loop nested loops. This is fourth one. Nested loops, like where we can use nested loop, like depends on the our requirement, we can use nested loop also, like while is a keyword inside the condition, we can use again like while or for anything you can use, not in like you can use while, inside a while you can use for. So there is no like limitation, you can use in like and like one loop is having another loop, so that is called nested loop. So condition 2, this is condition 1. Like here you can use statement. So this is called statement 1. Like you can print statement 2 here. So So whenever you want to print statement 2, so you can use while loop also, but while loop syntax and all, it is following the same structure, but nothing is there. Like inside you need to follow same structure. If you go with for loop also we need to use same, like for so inside for, if you are using other for loop, that is called nested for loop. Let's see some basic example. What is the nested for loops of this? I will tell you. So based on that, you will get idea. So this is called like nested loops. So nested for loop is best example for like pattern programs. If you want to define any pattern programs, like we need to use nested for loops. Like I will tell you what the example. What is you can check this one later, like how to use nested while loops, nested for loops.
Yeah.
With I will tell you directly pattern programs. Like so pattern programs also very important. I will share you all the multiple pattern programs. Like first for loop, I will tell you for int I equal to 1, so I less than 5.
Interior, I ask a pattern program logic.
Depends, for experienced people they won't ask, but freshers they will ask you some like it depends on their mood. They will ask you different questions. So j equal
Okay.
to 1, so j less than 3. But you need, like how to use like nested for loops, nested loop, that is important.
Okay.
So j plus plus, like so here I can use this one. Like this is two for loops. I am printing some statement here. System.out.println. Just enter here. Hello. Hello. So whenever I want to print this in a loop, like I want to print some values. So this will print how many times?
It's look like in the row and column
Yes.
counting,
Yes.
and first I
Simply
think
5 into 3, 15 times it will print.
row and yes.
So you can see this count. If you want to check the count, it will print 15 times. So because
15 times.
yeah, so wherever like you want to check the condition, you can apply the condition, and we can say like use different loops. Like if you want to run the inner loop 5 times, outer loop 3 times, like so like this. If you see some washing machine code, like you can run multiple loops. So inside a loop, like first time it will run for 5 times. After that, it will run for 6 times. Like depends on the application. We can use like nested for loops. So where we can use for best example is I will tell you some nested like pattern programs so that you can understand this one. Um, you know how to print pattern programs?
I don't remember logic.
Okay. So this is one of the like normal pattern programs I'm taking here. 5 by 5 pattern programs. Let's see.
Yes.
So how we can print this one? This is called column or row.
4, 5. Yes.
No, this is what
I 5.
color for
Let's say
like
row.
row.
Okay.
So this is row
Row and
1.
columns. Row and column.
Left side is row 1,
The
row 2, row
row.
3, row 5.
Row.
This is for column.
Column.
So how many columns are there? 5 columns are there.
5
So,
columns and 5 rows.
yes. First time, like for example, I want to print single row. So what first you can try single row. How to print this single
I
row? So this single row you can
I initialized from 0 and
using for loop you can
1
tell.
to 5. Yes.
For int I equal to, so you can call 1, I less than,
1 and 5
so less than
or
or equal
equal
to,
to 5
yes,
and I plus plus
yes, correct.
and j also like that and it will be print, right?
Okay. So first you can try this one, like system, like as far as output, like here we can print what star, right? So just go to the print this one and we'll check this code. So whether it is executing or not. So this is called for loop, like nested for loop. So like not normal for loop. So just print this one. So here I am printing this data. So what you want to print? You want to print star, right? I just print the star here. Like this is while loop. Okay, we have some extra loop. That's it. Now it will go and execute. It will print the data. So it will print like horizontal. Like I want to print vertical. What I need to do? Sorry, horizontal.
One nested for loop.
No, first you can convert this one into some.
It's vertical. It's vertical and now horizontal. You want it?
So you just remove println. Like it will go to the every time new line. So that's what will go to the single line. You can print single line. So again, if you want to print like a next, like a second for loop, what we need to do? So we need to like create inner for loop. So what is the logic? I will tell you. Simple logic. So first, like if you want to print this kind of pattern, like we need two loops. Like first for loop you can take like row design. Second for loop you can take column. So that is you need to design inner for loop. Like first step is design row first for like int I equal to 1. So I less than r equal to 5. So that is 1. I plus plus. So that is incremented. So once it is incremented, like we have like 25 stars here. Row is completed. Row size is design completed. I want to print column here. What I need to do? I can copy second step. Like second, you need to design column. So that is using other for loop. So for loop, and here I can check the same. How many columns are you want to print? I want to print 5 columns. I am taking here j. So j less than or equal to 5. So j plus plus. So here we need to increment the value. That's what we can print this logic. Like here you can go to the system.out.
I into j or id. Okay.
Not like
We
that.
will
You
try.
just print this data. That's it. Like inner for loop, like first it will check what I value equal to 1. So 1 means like it will go to the inside the loop. By default I value is 1. So once it is true, like I less than or equal to 5, it's a true, right? It will go to the inner loop. So then what is the like it is checking? So j value is equal to 1. So 1 less than or equal to true, it will print 1 star. Until j is like wrong, it will go to the I value increment by 2. Sorry, j value incremented by 2. So until unless, so j value equal to 3, 4, 5. So 5 times it will check. Once it is 5 stars, it will print. Then again it will go to the I value incremented by 2. This logic, you know, right?
I know.
Every I value one time, it will go to the j value incremented by 2. So same logic. Inside loop is wrong until unless it will go, it will not come to the outer loop. So if I is 1, j it prints 5 times. I is 2, j prints 5 times. I is 3, j prints 5 times. Like this, it will execute. So let's go and execute this one. For int j equal to 1, so j less than r equal to 5, so j plus plus. That's it. Just go and execute here. Just print this one, system.out.println. So what you want to print? I want to print simple star. So just give the space for printing purpose. Now here we don't need to take like this one. This is not required. So we only print this one. Here if I print directly ln, every time it will take new line. So I don't want to take /ln. So what will happen? It will go and check. So here it will print 25 stars in single line. So we need to, like after printing 5 lines, so then it will go to the like this for loop. Before going to this, we need to skip this stars into new line. So what we need to do, I just take it here /n after the for loop. So here I can take println you can take, or else I can take /n. So that's it. So this is clear.
Okay. Yes, now yes.
So if you want to print like instead of star, you can check this one also. I can duplicate this one and comment this one. Here instead of
And if we take print ln, then it's not output is not right that like that.
print ln means what? Every time it will print and it will go to the new line. So let's see.
Hmm.
So here I'm using println.
Instead of /ln.
That is also work. That is also work. So as you said, like println also work. Println is also work. So println you can take. You just remove this one. That is also working. Not an issue. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Either anyone you can use. Like println or you can use print. Anything you can use. So this is about J. So whenever you want to print some I value. So what is I value? You can see. I values every time, every line it is remains same. Like I value for one line 111, 222, 333, like this, it will print the value.
Yes.
So this is
And if
about
we print J, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay.
same. I will tell you
Okay.
one more part, like some more pattern. Like let's see. If I
Mhm.
want to print this pattern, like what is the pattern? Yeah, this pattern,
Triangle.
left triangle. So first time it will print 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars. Like what I need to do?
First for loop taking a row, right? Row.
Row. So row
And
is
second column. Inner for loop taking a column.
hmm.
Hmm?
So here
Then
yes.
we have to take one for loop plus plus and one for loop minus minus.
Okay. So where is the logic we need to change? Can you tell?
Okay. First for loop taking row and row for loop. We have to take I minus minus decrement and I is less than or equal to 5. No, I
Okay.
is
I will tell
getting
you one thing, one logic. First, you can observe one thing, like row. So rows are printing all are like fine or not. Like all rows are printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All rows are
hmm,
printing. Rows are not
hmm.
changing here. Like every row should be print. That is mandatory, right?
Okay.
But when you go with column, so first time only
Column.
one column it will
Okay.
print. Remaining 4 columns are empty.
Okay.
Second time it will print 2 stars, like remaining 3 it will empty. So third time it will print 3, remaining 2 is empty. Means only column we need to change.
Column change.
Okay, so row is not changing. This is correct. But here what is the logic? So you need to this is based on practice only. Will understood and
Mm-hmm.
one and 2, 3 it will increment. But how to take,
Mm-hmm.
like if you take some variable, that is not correct. So you can take the relation
Mm-hmm.
between like row and column. Row is 1 star it print. Row is 2, 2 stars it print. Row is 3, 3 stars it print. And the column limit is like compared with row. So what you can check? So here you can check j less than or equal to I.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Hi. Yes.
So I you can take automatically it will set this one. So
Mm-hmm.
just go to the
And J plus plus or minus?
so plus only, like j is incremental.
Okay.
Like what is the limit here? Until unless I value is 1 time only to print. So I value 2 times only to print. So that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can check the uh, data and you can print the answers like 1, 2, 2,
Okay.
3, 3 like this.
Okay. Only just.
You can try like the reverse order also. I am taking here I equal to 1, right? You can take negative order also, j minus minus, like that is also you can try.
But, I didn't understand again. Can you explain, repeat
No,
it, this
no.
one?
So for loop
I
we can
is
use
less
in
than
two
or
ways, right? So how to print for loop? Like let's see.
No. This like logic. This pattern logic.
Okay. So
Triangle.
this pattern logic, what like I value is not changing, right? I value every time.
I will,
So
and J value.
I values are all are printing same, right? Here there is no
Same.
empty here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that
Mm-hmm.
means like row is not changing. Like row should not change. Column is
Okay.
like it is changing. Like 4 2. Like here first column only print. Remaining columns is empty. Second time second 2 columns will print. Like remaining columns
Okay.
will.
Okay. I got it. I got it.
So
It's depend on incrementing.
yeah, depends on
Her
increment.
step by step.
Hmm.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, like
I got it.
not only this logic, you can follow different logic also. This logic is very
Okay.
easy. Hmm.
Yeah, basic I understand. Row is not changing, column changing. Then we have to change columns pattern.
Yes, and
Yeah.
you can
Okay.
try
I
reverse
got it.
order also. I'm taking here like by default I value equal to 1, right? By default, if you take
Uh,
I value equal to 5, how you can print?
okay. I will try.
Okay. So this is also like you can try. So do one thing, you can practice up to this concept today. Tomorrow we'll continue remaining all concepts. Okay. Like break,
Okay.
continue, what are the control statements we have? That
Mm-hmm.
concept we'll see tomorrow. Like today we discussed all the loops, right? Loops are very important. Do while,
Mm-hmm.
for loop, nested loop, for each loop, and how to
Mm-hmm.
practice some pattern programs you can try. And remaining pattern programs also, I will share you all the data. You can try
Mm-hmm.
yourself. And what are the,
Tomorrow break and continue, right? In while
tomorrow?
loop break and continue
Yeah,
statement, how
break
to use.
continue, and so these things will like break continue. I will tell you. And local variables, like will, if you have time, like we'll start some other, like some basic theory also I will explain tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, so
Thank you.
practice today like these all the concept once, because if you move one by one topic you will get confusion. So once you one time you practice, you will get uh, like without confusion. We can move further session also. Okay.
Okay, I will try it.
Yeah, so see you tomorrow same time.
Yes.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, bye.